What up, everyone? It's me, Isaac T, aka Isaac Tualaulelei, Island Groove 85, ICEE 85, Isako, or even Ice. However you may know me, what's up? Now, this kind of video I'm doing is actually different. It's a different side of me that I haven't really introduced anybody to. There's a side of me that loves to dance and choreograph, but there's also another side of me that just loves to sing. And so tonight I just wanted to mess around and do like a little cover of one of my favorite wedding songs. It's actually sung by Fiji. It's called The Vow. So I'm taking a step out just to kind of challenge myself. Back in November I said I would push myself to the limit and challenge my creative muscle in 2013. And so here's my first step with creating singing videos. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah. Standing here, making this decision of my life, I realize that you're the reason why. And it's so clear to everyone that having you as my wife is a privilege and an honor that applies. And so I take this oath of life for all eternity, and I pray to God that I will give all you need. In sickness or in health, I want to make you happy and be the one that you will always love. See, I pledge my life to you, and with you I feel complete. You're the other part of me, and I pledge my life to you. From here to eternity, I will love you endlessly.